Hi, I'm Mo. In this tutorial I will show you how to set up the Live Link plugin for Unreal Engine 5.4 through 5.7. First, I'm gonna show how to download and install the plugin. Next, we will set up the network streamer in Xsens Animate. Finally, we will cover setting everything up in Unreal Engine. Before you start, make sure you have Unreal Engine installed. You have an Animate Pro or Animate Live license. Lastly, that you have a recorded file or you are using live data from Xsens. Let's start by downloading and installing the plugin. First, let's head over to the Fab Store. At the top of the search bar, type Xsens Live Link plugin. Select the Live Link plugin for the version of Unreal you are using and add it to your library. From here we will open the Epic Launcher and install the Live Link plugin directly into the engine version of Unreal Engine you are using. Once this is done, we can head over to Xsens Animate and set up the network streamer. Now, let's set up the network streamer. Open Xsens Analyze or Animate. Open an MVN file or use a live setup. Open the network streamer by going to Options, Network Streamer, or by clicking on the network streamer icon. If there is no stream available yet, click Add below the Destination Configurations box. Add a target destination, default values, host 127.0.0.1, port 9763, protocol UDP. Select a format that the Unreal Live Link plugin will interpret properly, position plus orientation, quaternion. Also, enable character metadata and scaling data. Now, let's set up the Unreal Engine. In the project, go to Windows, Virtual Production. Live Link to enable the Live Link panel. In the Live Link panel, click on Plus Source, Xsens Live Source, then select the MVN live stream to the corresponding machine. Live Link will detect MVN live as a source. Import a rigged character into the project. If your character is not in a T-pose, you will need to do an extra step. Open the skeleton asset of your character and go to Create Asset, Create Animation, Current Pose to begin creating a new T-pose animation. Name the T-pose animation and place it in a folder of your choosing. This will create a one-frame animation with the pose you require. In the animation timeline, go to the start of the animation by clicking the To Front button. To view the bones on top of the character mesh, go to Character, Bones, All Hierarchy. If required, adjust the bones of the character to represent a T-pose. If streaming finger data, the fingers, thumbs, and metacarpals will need to be straightened as shown in the T-pose above. If not streaming finger data, only the hand needs to be straightened. The finger bones can be left alone. Once the character is in a T-pose, save the changes to the bones by clicking plus key. In the content browser, locate the skeleton of your character. Right-click to open the Skeleton Actions menu and choose Xsens, Create Remap Asset or Create Remap Asset in Folder, to choose the folder the asset will be placed in. This will create a Remap Asset, Blueprint class. In the Details panel, select the T-pose animation created if it was needed. Otherwise, leave this blank. If your character is facing the Y-axis, make sure to check the Is Forward Y box. If you are using an Unreal MetaHuman, Maya, or Xsens naming convention, you can choose one of these in the naming convention drop-down menu. This will automatically fill in all the correct bone names in the remapping assets. In the content browser, right-click on your character skeleton asset and select Create Animation Blueprint. Name the blueprint and double-click to open it. In the Anim graph, left-click and drag off the result pin of the Output Pose node. Let go and add the Live Link Pose node. For Live Link subject name, select one of the available subjects. This corresponds to your MVN system. Select the Live Link Pose node just created and in the Details window, select the retarget asset you've set up earlier. Now compile and save the animation blueprint. Use this animation blueprint in your scene. Your character will now be animated live with the MVN data stream. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@movella.com. Thank you. For more tutorials, visit the tutorial page on movella.com/tutorials. Or have a look at our extensive knowledge base on base.movella.com. Thank you for watching.